Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use count function, count a function, and then CountIF function. But before starting the video tutorial, let's understand what is count function. Count function is used to count numbers only. It does not calculate empty cells. Count a function is used to count text, numbers, and logical values or error values. CountIF function is used to count numbers only if specific criteria is met. We have the data, and here we want to count the number of commissions. So we start here, double click here and press equal sign and type count, or you can select from here, double click, and now select the range, bracket close and hit enter. So we have 14 commission. So number of commission are 14. For count a function, select the range and bracket close and hit enter. So we have 90 text, again we use CountIF function in the column. Select the range and bracket close. So we have 6 text and numbers, including text and numbers, and it does not count empty cells. Now for CountIF function, we select the range again, and now we give enter comma and give the criteria, and here we enter the criteria. South, now bracket close and hit enter. So we have 6 south in the range number. We change it. We can also change it. And now we have 5 east in the column. So this is all. Subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video.